Right, we'll try this again, take two. Sorry if you just got a little snippet there and then I went like that. The tech fairies are just not with us these past few weeks. Sorry about that. Anyway, morning, welcome. How are we doing? Sorry, I've got the giggles now. What am I talking about today? I'm talking about, now, don't shoot me, Halloween. Now, there's a bit of me that's kind of like, oh my God, it's too early to be talking about this. But the fact is, some of these fabrics are already almost gone. So some of you are really into your Halloween sewing already. And this collection, believe me, if you want to make something for Halloween, you're not going to want to miss it. So it's a new from Dashwood, it's called Full Moon. I'm going to be talking you through the fabrics and then a fab new kit that we've put together, which is really for either total beginners or for children. You can teach children to sew using this kit. Thanks very much for joining me this morning. My name is Kelly Rose. I am the founder of Plush Addict Sewing Superstore. Thanks for joining me. If you are here, please say hi. If you're watching on replay, let me know. Any comments, questions, pop them in the box and we will come back to you afterwards. If you're interested in anything that I'm going to run through today, just say me please, and we will send you a link to the resources page, which has links to everything I am going to be talking about today. All right, so let's have a little close-up on these brilliant Halloween fabrics. They're quilting cottons. They are from the brand Dashwood Studio. I know lots of you are going to be familiar with Dashwood, who always produce absolutely amazing fabrics. They're a UK fabric brand, and all the designers that they employ are all British. So you're supporting British if you are buying Dashwood. Right, let's have a little look. We have got on this first brilliant Halloween print, we've got bats and we have got big full moons, which is clearly the name of the collection. And you've got these lovely little stars in the background. I think the bats are really cute. They're not really scary, and they're really nicely illustrated. So you're not going to scare any children with this one. This one is, I'm totally in love with this because it's Halloweeny without being too Halloweeny. You've got a little nod to the sort of gothic scariness. Now let's take a real close up because this to me is the star of this. And if I were to make anything Halloween, it would be from this print. So you've got these beautiful bold florals, but if you have a little look at the details here, these moths are absolutely stunning. You've got different sizes of moths. They have been beautifully illustrated, and on their little wings, their back wings, they've all got these tiny little skulls. Just what a great little detail. On the foliage as well, we've got nods to Halloween and something more gothic. Where is it? This one over here. So you've got this beautiful, and maybe they're dahlias, I'm not really sure. But on the foliage coming out here, you've got little skulls, which are very, very cute. You've got some echinacea there, again, with some of the berries in red. They're their little skulls. You've got these spider webs, which are kind of glistening in the dew. And you've got spiders there. So, I mean, hopefully you love this one as much as I do, but I saw this and I was like, wow, that is brilliant. Now this one has been the runaway so far. Cat faces, we've literally only got left in stock. This, what we've got here today, so I could show you, but we've got our next delivery due, I think it's due to dock in about 2 to 3 weeks. So it is on back order. So if you can purchase this now, as soon as the fabrics come in, they will be sent out to you. I forgot to mention there's actually a giveaway. We're giving away some fabric at the end, so stay tuned to work out how you can win those fabrics. Sorry about that. So here we go. We've got these cat faces, all different kinds. You've got lovely whiskers on a black background there. So yeah, again, loving this because it's Halloween but not Halloween, if that makes sense. So this is a bit of an all-purpose one really. We've got some rather dark birdies on here. Loving his rather startled eyes. You've got a number of different birds. He's the star of the show and comes through on the panel. But yeah, loving this. I saw a pair of trousers on Instagram. I can't remember if they were trousers or PJs, but made out of this fabric, and they were brilliant. And then pumpkins, loving the pink coming through here, and the sketchy kind of pumpkins, all different sizes, all different colours, and you've got the webs and the spiders coming through on this one as well. And then we have got 2 skull prints, 2 different colours. The skulls are probably about 1 centimetre wide, so they'd be great for little small projects, for bunting, something like that perhaps, for Halloween. A great lining fabric, great accent fabric. These have been really popular too. And then we have this rather amazing panel. So the panel, all the fabrics, let me just run you through the prices. The fabrics are £3.70 a fat quarter, £14.80 for the metre, and the panel is £10.75, and there is a bundle of all of those fabrics together, all 7, which is £25.90. Now, let's have a look at the panel. So if you buy the panel separately from how it comes in the kit, this is what you would get. Each of these panel pieces are 14 inches by 10.5 inches. So great little tote bag size, as we've done here, and we'll talk more about that in a moment. But you could use this as part of a larger bag or part of a quilt, or you can make yourself some Halloween cushions. And I think this would be a really fun way to give a nod to Halloween around the time in your home as a cushion, but without being too Halloweeny. So we've got this lovely vase of flowers here, but we've got the spider's web and the spider giving us the spooky effect. The cats, this is all the children's favourite, and well, it doesn't have to be children, doesn't it? We all love a cat. And we've got the lovely cat with the bird coming through and these gorgeous florals and stars. And then we've got the moths again in all their full glory. I really, really like this. You've got much bigger moths here, so they're all slightly easier to see, and you've got the skulls there. So what do you think of that one? Do you love it as much as me? Moving on, we've got the bird here standing on the toadstool in a really lovely sort of autumnal feeling circle of foliage there. And we've got the toadstool. It's a mushroom toadstool. I think it's a toadstool, isn't it, with the red. The spots are the skulls, and then you've got bats flying around a full moon. And again, this really pretty foliage around the edge. More cats standing on each other's heads. So you're all in there. They're really cute. You've got their lovely cat faces, and these are the same cat faces that are on that cat print that we looked at earlier. Pumpkins. It says it all, doesn't it, really, for Halloween? Pumpkins, and you've got the spiders there as well, and the spider's web. And then last but not least, we have an owl in front of a full moon, and then these lovely orange stars around the edge. So how are we doing? Do we have any questions? Anyone? Hopefully everybody's saying hi. All right, let's talk about the kit. So the kit is, we put this together. Yeah, I've just wanted to make something out of this panel. These are designed to be carried by children and to put all of their little Halloween trick or treats, all of their treats in there. It's a lined bag. We've lined it with lightweight calico, and you've got a print on one side and then a second print on the other side. The kit, and then we've got some webbing handles, so we're not making the handles here. We just, because I wanted to make this easy enough for a first project. So the handles are there. Each of the kits are only £9, and you get all the fabrics that you need and the webbing to make 2 bags. Now, if you wanted to stretch it out further, you could add some more webbing and just have one of the panels on one side, and perhaps just do get some more calico, the lightweight calico for the reverse, and then you could make 4 bags, depending on how many small children that you have to that you're interested in teaching to sew. But I thought this would be a great kind of summer holiday activity, or autumn, the October half term, which usually falls just before Halloween. I thought this would be brilliant for kids to do. They can sew themselves, really excited for Halloween night. And you know, what child isn't going to want to sew themselves a little bag to collect all their goodies in around Halloween time? So like I said, these are only £9. And the giveaway that we have this week, I've got 2 of these to give away. These are the sample cards that we get. I've got 2 of them to give away. This is about 30 centimetres wide, and you've got various lengths of all the fabric. And the way that you could win this is with every purchase between now and the end of June of a tote bag kit, you'll be entered into a draw, and we will pick 2 winners at random at the end of the month. So if you would like a link for these fabrics and for the kit and everything, just say me please in the comments and we will drop that in and come back to you before the end of the day. Any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I shall see you next week. Thank you. Bye.